In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link text in Google Sheets using two easy options. Whether you're collating data or creating a dynamic spreadsheet for your projects, these steps will help you seamlessly integrate links, making your document more versatile and engaging. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have your Google Sheet open. If you don't have one ready, it's a simple process to create a new sheet by visiting Google Sheets in your browser. This is your starting point and equally serves as the foundation for everything else that follows. Once you've opened your Google Sheet, let's move on to our first method. Now, direct your attention to cell B2. Simply click on it to select the cell. This will be our target cell where we're going to place our linked text. With the cell selected, all you need to do is press Ctrl+K on your keyboard. This shortcut opens up a hyperlink dialog box where you can specify the URL or link you wish to connect to the text in this cell. Once the hyperlink dialog has appeared, you'll see a list of recent or suggested links. Click on any item in the list that corresponds to the link you wish to insert. This user-friendly interface ensures that your most used links are always handy, streamlining your workflow and saving time. Let's proceed to our second method. Start by selecting cell B3. With cell B3 highlighted, look towards the top of your screen where you find the menu options. Click on Insert from the menu bar. You'll notice a drop-down menu appears. Navigate to and click on Link. This is just another method to access the hyperlink dialog in Google Sheets. Just like before, when the dialog opens, choose an item from the list that you want to link to. Clicking it will automatically embed the link into the text in cell B3. This creates a versatile and interactive element within your spreadsheet that can direct users to additional resources or related content. Finally, let's explore a slightly different approach within your spreadsheet. Click on cell B5 to select it. Instead of using the keyboard shortcut or the menu bar, try right-clicking directly on the cell. Among the various options available, select Insert Link from this context menu. Again, you will see the familiar link dialog pop up. Here, you can click on your desired item from the list to complete the linking process. This method provides yet another efficient way to integrate links directly from the cell, particularly useful when working continuously within a specific cell or with multiple links. And there you have it, two straightforward options for linking text in Google Sheets. These intuitive methods allow you to create dynamic documents with ease, enhancing both functionality and user engagement.